Hi, my name is Jürgen Hohen. This is a 3 of 80 tutorial series, Salesforce Marketing Cloud Configuration Overview. In case you haven't seen the tool before, Salesforce Marketing Cloud is of Studios, Builders, Einstein, and Setup. So under A, there's Calendar, Campaigns, and the Studios, right? Email Studio, Marketing, Mobile Studio, Social Studio, and then under B are the Builders. So you build things like Journeys, Journey Builder, automation, content builder, where you build emails, right? Or footers, right? Audience builder, where you segment. And then C is the connection, Einstein over here. And then D, well, way on the corner there, is the setup. And next we'll go to setup, because this tutorial is about Salesforce Marketing Cloud setup. Okay, this is the setup assistant. It works really well. Setup assistant, right, in setup. And then you go B, like the business units and data management and all that other stuff, which we'll go into in the next couple slides. And then C is the basically feature setting, etc. And then over here, under D, you just follow the setups. It's very helpful. It's straightforward. Okay, enable Okta. Where do you do it? Setup, key management, Okta. Next. Enable Einstein content tagging, which is of course right where my image is, right here. And that is, when you turn that on, enable it, then you get a lot more of the analytics. Is this a horse? Is this a dog? Send time optimization. It listens to when people open things, right? When's the best time to send it, depending on content, everything else, right? And you need to train it. You need to train it. That's the key thing. It's not instant. You need to train it, you need to enable it, it starts listening, you configure it. This is where you do it. Next, file drop, file locations. Where can you connect? Where you ingest audiences. One is there, A, file locations. B, you can see the name, Salesforce, maybe business units from other business units, or an external FTP. That's where C is. So an SFTP, you can drop a file in there. Next, provisioning a business unit. You go to business units, you enable it, right? You name it, A, B, you assign roles to the business unit, and then C, you can see where it is. 48 is on the number of users. So Marketing Cloud doesn't have the restrictions of so many users, and each user seat costs money. You can have 1,000 users. It's by business unit. All right, then you have to assign roles. The biggest thing with the roles is you can have multiple roles, but in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, the most restrictive role overrides any other permissions. So like for instance, I made myself administrator and content creator, and all of a sudden I couldn't do any administration stuff. Why? Because content creator overrules administrator. I had to call my boss and say, could you please unassign content creator to me, sign into Marketing Cloud. Okay, next, send classifications. Super important. Transactionals have no limits, and commercial have all these limits and rules. So if you tag certain things transactional, like Amazon, your package is on its way. You don't, even when you unsubscribe from Amazon, they will still send you that. Right? And here, when you look at A, this is where an email studio, all the details are. Send classifications, reply mail management, email optional features, right? Test send thresholds, subject pre-header validation, right? Can you expire a URL? All those kind of things. And then under B is the mobile studio, right? Where it's like, is it mobile connect, mobile push, push in the message, etc. All right, next. Here is pixel enablement. You enable a pixel for tracking. It's embedded in the background of an image like this. Can't see it, but it reports back all the kind of things here. Here on this one, it's linking Google Analytics and Salesforce into Marketing Cloud, right? So you can do reporting in Google Analytics and Salesforce into it. A, there's the link email for Google Analytics. B, sandbox, production or email. C, basically managing tracking parameters, etc. And now here is the parameter management, A, B, C, Google Analytics, Web Connector, and that's it. Thank you so much. Marketing Cloud is Studios, Builders, and Einstein. It's business unit oriented, SQL heavy, and you can pixelization for tracking. Thank you so much.